Sarah Eckenberger, New Beauty Editor-at-Large and Today.com editor. From being in the industry for over 20 years, I have tried everything, from the latest in concealers, eye creams, serums, oils, potions, you name it, I have tried it. So when it comes to good skincare and good health of my skin, that's what I pride myself on, and I always want to look my best. Because I'm on camera so much, I become hyper aware of what I look like and how my face appears on TV. And I started to notice some of those unwanted lines and wrinkles despite being loyal to my skincare routine. So I enlisted my dermatologist for neurotoxin injections, and I've been extremely happy with the results. But now that I'm nearing 40, I started to notice that many years of smiling for the camera may be catching up with me. My fine lines seem to be more etched into my skin and deeper. Though many women have tried fillers, I was always a little hesitant because I don't want to have that overdone look. I always want to make sure that I appear natural. For me, the decision to get Restylane Defyne was definitely worth it.
When Sarah came to see me, she's a beautiful lady. She has great facial structure and the bone structure is perfect, but frequently we will lose the medial fat pad in this area as we age, and not only does it atrophy or get smaller, but it actually migrates down, giving this thought of almost redundancy of nasolabial folds. And so if we restore that volume, it really helps to make the contour look more youthful. And so we used Restylane Defyne in the smile lines in order to help soften those contours. With the new family of Restylane fillers, Refine and Defyne, they've really paid close attention to how the filler moves in the skin. It's very mobile and bends and folds with the expression that we're making. Because Sarah looks fantastic, she didn't need a lot of volume and she didn't need a lot of contour restoration in order to make her look most youthful. And so we use the new family of Restylane products in order to help, because we know hyaluronic acid is a great filler. It's very moldable and forgiving as far as the way the facial contours are, and so it kind of moves with the skin without it looking firm or structured or unhuman, unlike skin. And so Sarah being, on camera a lot and just, no one wants to look abnormal or fake. They still want to have a natural contour of a product in their skin that moves with them but isn't obvious. For longevity of Restylane fillers, Refine and Defyne, I tell patients it can last up to 12 months. And of course it depends on the patient, but that's by and large the general rule. But just like any injection, there's always a risk of bruising, swelling, bleeding, all transient, and they resolve within a week or so if they do occur. But most times patients do beautifully with that. And as Sarah did, she did great.
The treatment was so quick and easy with minimal discomfort. I had some slight redness after the treatment, but I saw results immediately after I left Dr. Engelman's office. It's been 2 weeks since I've seen Dr. Engelman, and I could not be happier with the results. As a working mom of 2 girls and consistently flying around this country, I was so happy to hear that Restylane Defyne lasts up to a year. That was music to my ears. I am definitely going to be committed to this program.